All right, it's December 22nd, and I took a couple trades today. To be honest, you can see the P&L. I mean, I don't even know. I mean, this week has been terrible. Not even gonna lie. I mean, just another choppy day, and the market still can't figure out a direction, which I mean, it's expected. I mean, that's luckily I'm on the sim. So I mean, I'm gonna be trading the sim again next week because I mean it's Christmas next week. We can't figure out direction. Probably gonna be low volume as well. So I'm gonna wait for some more confirmation before really getting back into trading like I have been. So I mean we're gonna be cautious going into next week, but yeah, let's go over these trades. I mean they were just 15-minute range trades. And so the first one was in the morning on ES or MES. So I mean opened up here 7:30, broke the pre-market high, and then I mean we formed the 15-minute range, broke out above like almost immediately, and had a nice move up, came down to retest, and the candle close was pretty nice. I mean, it closed a tick below it, but the next candle opened around on top of 15-minute range, so it was close enough for me to take. But the only caveat going into this trade was NQ and QQQ at that time. So I mean, this was like we broke out 750, and I took the trade like almost 8 o'clock. I mean, QQQ and NQ didn't even break out of the 15-minute range really, so that wasn't good. But I still like the move on ES, and I like the retest, so I took it. But unfortunately, was not correct, and it was just chopping right after that. So I was just waiting, came down, and then my next trade was on NQ. So I had a few indications to get into this one. I mean, ES, it didn't really make a good move below it, but NQ did. Had a nice move below. So I like to retest. The candle close was nice. So I mean, this was 909, so it'll be 908 on ES. So I mean, 908 was right here. So this candle closed. We were rejecting off VWAP as well as the pre-market high. So I thought that looked good on ES, and then on top of that, NQ was retesting the 15-minute range. So I thought it'd be good for a short, but there was some pretty good volume, but it kind of got eaten up, which is this big wick. So I mean the trade didn't work out. I mean I got in, kind of just chopped around for a little bit, and got stopped out right here for 15 points on NQ, and was just chopping the rest of the time really. And I mean that's what today has been, completely choppy. So yeah, it just wasn't a good day, very choppy. I mean we're coming back from the sell-off from a couple days ago, but I mean we'll see what happens over the next week. I'm gonna be very cautious going into the next week, and I'm not looking for anything specific, not gonna have any bias going long or short. Just gonna see what the market presents to me, and we'll make a decision off of that. So I mean chop is to be expected right now, so yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I mean, would I have taken these on the eval? Probably not, just because of how the market conditions have been recently, or at least I would have gone in with small size. So is what it is, but that's how it's gonna go. So I mean Monday, no trading, obviously it's Christmas, so yeah, we'll be back on Tuesday.